Thanks for joining us today. I am so excited. It's such a beautiful day here in Chillicothe, Missouri. And we've got a really super cool fifth wheel travel trailer to show you today. It's a 2017 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen. And it's the 372 RD floor plan. It's got 5 power slides that will be able to sleep 10 people. It's got an amazing large kitchen with an island, an amazing entertainment room that's massive. It's even got theater seating and a fireplace for your enjoyment and so much more. Hey guys, it's Sonia here at WowWoodys Automotive Group, the highest rated dealership in Middle America, and you can learn why at over 10,000reviews.com. So today we're going to show you this 2017 Wildwood Heritage Glen. So then as we head to the front, look at that amazing fiberglass front, and you've even got these super cool LED strip lights, and there's your Anderson fifth wheel, and Tim is going to tell us all about that.
Hi folks, Tim here at WowWoodys. Just wanted to explain this Anderson hitch comes with this 2017 Heritage Glen fifth wheel. If you aren't familiar with the Anderson hitch, there are 2 pieces to this RV. You have the piece here that's mounted to the kingpin of the camper, and then also in the back of your truck, provided you have a fifth wheel ball or a gooseneck ball, you mount this square platform with a pin to the ball in your truck, tighten down a bolt on top, and then it stays in your truck. When you're done, pull the hitch pin out, take that square piece of the Anderson hitch out, and it opens up then the back of the tailgate of your pickup.
And you've got lots of cargo capability. You've got pass-through storage. There's your double propane tanks. There's your water station, your fresh water, and you can even take a shower outside. Now this does have the 54-gallon fresh water, 60-gallon gray, and 30-gallon black water tanks. But look at that pass-through storage. That's incredible. So many storage opportunities. And there's your black tank and your 50-amp power outlet right there. And you've got 2 slides on this side. And then over here you do, and those wheels are 16-inch steel wheels. Back here you've got more pass-through storage. Amazing. I don't think you can have enough pass-through storage. And there's your stabilizers down there. Really easy to set those up. And back here you've got your ladder. And you've also got that backup camera right up there. Now this is, the length on this is 43 feet and the height is 13 feet 2 inches. Over here you have 2 more slides. And then you do have that 20-foot power awning, and it does have those, it's a Solera power awning, and it does have those adjustable arms, so if it gets windy it'll use those shock absorbers to bring it a little bit lower, which is really nice. We're in windy conditions right now and it's doing just great. And look at that, it just allows you to really enjoy the outside, I think, a little more, because you don't have to worry about the sun beating on your face. Over here you do have your cable connection, power outlets, speakers, and I do love, there's your inverter, and you also have a spot over here to mount your TV, so you can pop a TV in over here, and you do have that solar charging capability right there, and there's your batteries. So let's go check out the inside. So as you step inside, you'll notice you do have those double steps, and you do have the grab bar. It's really nice to have those flex and go steps. Very, very sturdy. And check out the inside. Oh my goodness, it's so roomy. I think having those power slides really makes it so nice. And you do have 2 air conditioning units in this too. incredible. This is your living area. I don't think I've ever seen a travel trailer with this much living area. It's just so cozy and comfy. You've got your fireplace, your massive TV, all of your storage, your ducted air conditioning system. You've got your LED lights, so many windows. You can open up these windows. So comfy. These leather sofas are really, really nice. They're in excellent condition, and these all go into a sleeper, so you can sleep up to 10 people. Look at this. You can even recline these seats. You could probably even sleep here. It's just so comfy. My goodness. And over here you do have lots of cabinet space and drawer space. Fireplace. You also have your Furrion entertainment system, Greystone fireplace, and cabinet space, cable hookup TV, another drawer, mirrored wardrobe, and then as we step down, you'll notice you have windows on both sides here. You have a power outlet. Look at your kitchen area. I love this dinette. You have seating for 4 over here. You've got this really nice island that houses your double sink, huge sink, pull-out faucet. Lots of cabinet space in your island. Amazing. And then over here, you've got your microwave oven in excellent condition, your powered oven hood with your 3-burner cooktop, bourbon, and an oven. You can bake bread. It's so much fun. And then over here, you've got more cabinet space. This can be your coffee bar or your chopping station, whatever you want it to be. You've got storage in here. Lots of storage there. And over here, nice pantry, more drawers. Oh, that's a cutlery drawer. You got your floor mats. Really deep drawers too. And look at that, you've got a residential refrigerator freezer. Nice and cold, excellent condition, massive. And then back here, you have a nice little bar area. You can put all of your glasses, your dishware, blankets, whatever you want. So pretty. And then you have more cabinet space here. Again, you could put your pots and pans in here. Lots of door space. Wow. So nice. Okay, you've also got that nice fan and lots of LED lights. I love the high ceiling in here too. And then you've got this really cozy dinette area here. And this nice light. We've got windows surrounding you with all of your window treatments. And then as we head up to the bedroom area, you'll notice you've got your dual thermostats. Like I said, you do have 2 rooftop AC mounted units. You've got your control panel for your slide outs, your water heater, your lights, and then you also have your slides. And look at this bathroom. It's massive. You've even got a bathtub. You don't see bathtubs in travel trailers very often. It's amazing. It's got a nice seat in there. You've got your skylight and your fan. And you've got lots of cupboard space in the bathroom for all your towels, your toilet paper. And then you have your Dometic pedal toilet. And over here you have a medicine cabinet, a power outlet, outlet for your blow dryer, and more cabinet space down there. I love this floor. It's got this nice vinyl floor, wood floor. And then back in the bedroom, look at us. So nice. It's so nice and cool back here. Really, really nice queen size bed. So comfy. You've got lighting. You also have a power outlet on that side. Lots of drawer space, lots of windows. Got windows right here and over here. And look at all the drawer space you have. More drawer space for all your clothing, your blankets. You could put all kinds of stuff in here. There's another power outlet there. You could mount a TV over here, power outlet cable connection, LED lights. And what is in here? Oh my goodness. A washer and dryer hookup. Nice. Got your washer and dryer hookup, a power outlet, and a shelf up here. Wow. Wow, what a nice bedroom. So spacious, so much light, the natural light from the windows. And you have a washer and dryer hookup. You can bring in a washer and dryer. So if you're really wanting a super luxurious travel trailer that has all those amazing features, fireplace, an amazing entertainment area, that kitchen with that island, and that giant bedroom with the washer and dryer hookup, check this one out on our website at WowWoodys.com, or just come visit us on our 15-acre mega lot where we have nearly 1,000 vehicles and RVs. And you can see all of our RVs just by going to wowrvbuying.com. I'm Sonia, until next time. Wow.